Hello students, welcome to my channel Concept Tech 2018. I am Dr. Sunanda Manke and this video is a part of the series on online electronics laboratory, and in this part we'll discuss the lab exercises on combinational circuits. This slide gives the list of all the experiments which will be performed in this part. We have half adder and full adder circuit, 2x4 decoder, 1x4 demultiplexer, 4x1 multiplexer, 8x3 encoder and BCD2 7 segment decoder. So you can see here all the major combinational circuits are covered in this part. Let's do the experiment on 2x4 decoder circuit. The IC used is 74LS155. This is the IC 74LS155 here, and this gives the truth table for this IC. So we have 2x4 decoder, that is we'll have two inputs A, B, and we'll have four outputs Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3. In this IC we are having two 2x4 decoders. You can observe here the first decoder and the second decoder. The inputs are common A and B, and 1C and 1G bar are the inputs for first decoder, and 2C bar and 2G bar are the inputs for the second decoder, right? So we are going to use the second decoder circuit. So we are using 2C bar and 2G bar. So when both of them are high, the circuit doesn't work, all outputs are low. When these two goes low, then the decoder starts working. And how the decoder works? For one combination of the input, one of the output goes high, right? So when 0 0, 2y0 goes high, 0 1, 2y1 goes high, 1 0, 2y2 goes high, and 1 1, 2y3 goes high. This is how decoder circuit works, and this is the setup. This is the IC 74LS155, and you can see here we have connected these two inputs here, and we are using this portion of the IC, right, the second decoder circuit, and we are observing output on these four LEDs 1, 2, 3 and 4. As this LED is not working, we are using these four LEDs for output, and we are using these two switches for input, and we'll verify this truth table here. We'll verify the working of 2x4 decoder circuit here. Let's do the experiment. This is a 2x4 decoder circuit. LS155 IC is used, and in 2x4 decoder circuit we are using the second decoder as discussed. These are the two inputs and four LEDs at the output. This LED is not used. Let's see the working of this IC. You can see all the connections made here. When both the inputs are high, the last LED is off. When both the inputs are low, first LED is off. All the three are glowing. 0 1, second is off. 1 0, third is off. And 1 1, you can observe, fourth is off, right? Again 0 0, first LED, 0 1, second, 1 0, third, and 1 1, fourth LED is off. So depending on the combination of the input, one of the output goes low. This is how decoder circuit works. We have two inputs and four outputs. For 0 0, first output goes low. For 0 1, second output, 1 0, third, and 1 1, the last output goes low. This is how 2x4 decoder circuit works. I hope you have enjoyed this experiment and understood the working of the given IC. Thank you.